Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn which are the 9 key interfaces of the collections. Collections means a group of individual objects as a single entity is called collections. Mean to grouping a group of all individual objects into a single entity then called collection. Collection framework. It defines several classes and interface which can be used to represent a group of object as a single entity. Means collection framework provide us uh, A collection framework provide us several classes and interface which can help us to represent a group of individual object as a single entity. 9 key interfaces of the collection interface. 9 key interfaces of collection framework. Collection interface. If we want to represent a group of individual object into a single entity, then we should go for a collection. Means we are representing a group of students into a single entity, then we should go for a collection. In general, collection interface is considered as a root interface of collection framework. Collection interface defines the most common method which can be applicable for any collection object. Means collection is a root interface. Collection is itself an interface and it is a root interface and which provide the most common method which can be applicable for any collection. Collection versus collections. Collection is an interface which can be used to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity, whereas collections is a utility class present in util package to define several utility methods for collection. Collection is a interface and collections is a class which provide the several methods for performing operation on collections. List interface. It is a child interface of collection. If we want to represent a group of individual object as a single entity where insertion order is preserved and duplicates are allowed, then we should go for a list. Means the property of list is insertion order is preserved and duplicates are allowed. Vector and stack are re-engineered in 1.2 version to fit into collection framework. It is a child interface of collection. If you want to represent a group of individual objects where duplicates are not allowed and insertion order is not preserved, then we should go for set. Means a list have a property of duplicates are allowed and insertion order is preserved, but in set insertion order is not preserved and duplicates are not allowed. Set. It is a child interface of set. If we want to represent a group of individual object as according to some sorting order, then we should go for a sorted set. Means we want to represent uh, object into some sorting order like ascending descending, then we should go for a sorted set. Next is navigable set. It is a child interface of a set. Sorted set. It provides several methods for navigation purpose, like for iterating for navigating to the uh, collection. We have to it will provide a method for iteration purpose, like it will move forward, backward. It is introduced in 1.2 interface. It is a child interface of collection. If you want to represent a group of individual objects prior to processing, then we should go for a queue. Like for example, we are uh, in a queue of tickets. Like we are in a queue of processing, then we can use for the queue collection. In that, like first come first serve principle is applied over there. This is the diagram which define all the interfaces that are in the collections, which is like collection. Collection has three child interfaces: list, set, and queue. Set is further uh, have a interfaces that is already set and it has a child of navigables. In all the above interface collection, list, set, sorted set, navigable set, and queue meant for representing a group of individual objects means we are using a group of individuals. But if we want to represent a group of objects as a key value pair, then we should go for a map. If you want to represent a group of individual objects, if we want to represent a group of objects as a key value pair, then we should go for a map. Both key and values are objects only. Duplicate keys are allowed. Sorry, keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Okay, because we have to identify the values based on the keys. So key could not be duplicated. Values can be duplicated. Map is not child interface of a collection interface. Map have a further child interface which is a sorted map. If you want to present a group of object as a key value pair according to some sorting order, then we should go for a sorted map. Sorted can be done based on the keys but not based on the map value. Sorted map is a child interface of map interface. Means the sorting of the in the sorted map can be done based on the keys, not for the values. Navigable map. It is a child interface of sorted map. It provides several methods for navigation purpose. This is the diagram for map interface. Map have a child interface of sorted map, and sorted map has a child a navigable map. Thank you for the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe.